Hey, so in this video, I got an interesting email from a viewer who wants to know how to get a girl to focus on him because he's gone his whole life dating girls who were not that interested in him, and he wants to know why they're not interested in him, how to raise her attraction, and how to get a woman for once in his life to show more interest in him. So I'll go through the email and then we'll get into how to actually do this. So he kicks off. Hi Chris, I was wondering if there's any way you can help me with this issue I've got where I want to get women to obsess over me, but I don't know how to do it. I don't want them to be crazy obsessed. It would just be nice if I could get a woman to think about me, appreciate me, and have high levels of respect for me. Well, that tells me that if you want that, you really just want to get respect. You don't need them to obsess over you, because when a woman respects you, and she has high levels of respect for you, she's naturally going to be obsessed in her own way. So he goes on, I guess I'm saying this because I noticed that in my previous relationships, I didn't get any of these things, so that's why I want it so bad. I'm currently dating 2 girls and trying to figure out which one I like the best before I commit to one. In the meantime, I've noticed that both of these girls don't seem to have super high levels of attraction for me. What can I do to change the way they see me? So if you want to get a different reaction from a woman, you have to start doing things in a different way. You have to do the opposite of what you've been doing. That's only logical. If you keep doing the same thing, you're just going to get the same result. So perhaps you've been too nice. Women don't respect nice guys. Perhaps you've been chasing her too much. Women don't like it when you chase them. They need to chase you. It's very, very important. This dynamic is explained in great detail in my book, Atomic Attraction. There is a point when you need to chase a woman in the beginning, but you need to be very aware of when to change that and let her chase you. It's crucial. It's really important. The other thing I would say is you've got to do the opposite of what 99% of men are doing out there. Women are conditioned to respond to a man's behavior, and 99% of men are acting the same way. They're all acting the same way. They are chasing girls. They're coming on too strong. They're being way too responsive. They're giving the women way too much value. The West is a place where women are put on a pedestal, where men worship women. And that's not true around the world, but certainly in Western countries, it's definitely true. Men worship women. They give them way too much value. You see this going on in the culture right now. And what happens is women get an overinflated sense of their own ego and an overinflated sense of their own importance. And they will test you like crazy. They will use you. They will try to manipulate you. They will try to take what they can from you. And they'll put you in the friend zone. So don't be a nice guy. That's very, very important. And if you want to turn the tables and get a woman to focus on you, you got to respect yourself. Women don't respect men who don't respect themselves first. How do you respect yourself? You focus on yourself. You improve your value, work out, hit the gym, build a business, focus on your education, improve your job. Anything that's going to raise you up in the world, improve your standard of living, improve the way you feel about yourself and your self-esteem, is going to be reflected out into the world. So if you start to respect yourself more, you start to have higher value, women will treat you better. The world will respect you as a whole. So keep that in mind. If you want to get more attraction, do the opposite of what you've been doing and don't follow 99% of other guys out there. If you want to know more about this, don't forget to pick up a copy of my book, Atomic Attraction. You can pick up your copy today by clicking on the link below or by going to Amazon.com. Talk to you soon.